Hi and welcome to Randy's Kitchen. One of my most favorite dishes to make at home and easiest is noodles. When I was traveling and working around Asia for almost 2 years, this was by far my staple dish and go-to. Here is what I feel is the easiest noodle dish you could possibly do at home. Feel free to add prawns, shrimp, fish, chicken, beef, whatever you want, but this is a really good base. I think one of the key ingredients to this is absolutely cabbage. It's found everywhere in Asia. It's a secret ingredient I think most people don't put in their noodle dishes. So here we go. We're gonna start by soaking our vermicelli noodles for 2 minutes in hot water. It's the best way to get this done rather than boil them, and then we're gonna strain them off. Soak these for 2 minutes. Let them soak there, and then while that's soaking, we're gonna go right over the frying pan and get everything else cooking. So easy, quick tip, pan has to be hot, super hot this pan is. Chili oil that's going in, and then we're gonna get the cabbage going in. The sear is going on. Cabbage, ginger, carrots, chili. You can hear it's coming in the back of my throat. We're gonna crank up the heat here. And the idea behind this is saute it off and get the cabbage more al dente. You can already start to see the shine coming off the cabbage. That's obviously the sweat is coming out. Look at that, starting to blacken on the sides, crisping up more than boiling is the point. Crispy veg brings just another sense and sensation to the mouth that you're gonna love. So just stirring up the eggs here. Wanna scramble it before it goes into the pan. This will be one of the last things. So noodles are done, gonna get the water out. Let the noodles sit there for a second. They're a bit al dente. They're gonna finish off cooking inside the pan. So nice, easy, colors coming on them. This is where everything starts to happen. We're gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. Now, trick with soy sauce, you get a bit of smoky flavor. Add it around the edges. The smoky flavor really comes out. Then we're gonna add a little bit of brown sugar going in. That's gonna balance the salty soy sauce. We're gonna shove everything to one side. We're gonna put the egg in. Get the egg. Trying to keep this all in one pan. Scramble it up there. And you notice I haven't put any sesame oil in yet. The reason because of this is because we don't want sesame oil to take over the whole dish. So we're really saving that to the end as more of a garnish and a background flavor. I just remember sitting there eating for simple, plain noodles in the shop because I was actually too scared to try anything else. So the egg's in there. You can see it's scrambled in there. Now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna drop the noodles in there. There we go. See the textures, got the noodles mixing all together. And we're gonna finish this off with spring onions. You never put spring onions in to cook, they're for garnish. They actually add loads of flavor in the background and add freshness to the dish. We're gonna put a little bit of soy sauce to finish again, just to keep it there. And last but not least, a little bit of sesame oil. About a teaspoon. Toss this up. We don't want to cook it anymore because it's all done. Lovely. We got noodles going in. These are lovely and gorgeous. I think the reason why I like this is because there's nothing in this. There's no ketchup in it, no sweet chili in it. Nothing in it besides basic, easy, rustic Asian noodles, the way they do it in China. Now I find the best way to eat any Asian food is with chopsticks. I think it makes it taste things better and just the way I like to do it. Let's give it the taste test. Very, very hot, as you can see, steam coming off of it. So, what you got here is an amazing recipe, I think. The reason why I like it, here are simple facts. You taste the onions, you taste the ginger, you taste the crunch of the ginger and the cabbage, so you're getting those textures. It's not sopped in sauce, the sauce is just coating it, and the background flavor of the egg really makes the Asian flavor come alive. This is by far my favorite dish. I'm gonna tuck in and eat this bad boy.